Hi, this is Annie from Lesbians Who Tech and Allies, and today I'm going to show you how to use your agenda. Here you'll see the days of the week. You can see the sessions by dates if you click on the days of the week here. A great way to utilize the agenda is by the My Interest feature. So let's say you want to go to speed networking. What you have to do is search by the session type, and all the speed networking sessions come up. Now I'm going to star all the sessions just like this. And then if you go to My Interests, they'll all be in there. It's a really great way to utilize the agenda because there are so many sessions and it can get overwhelming. So if you see something that catches your eye, you just star it and it goes right in here into My Interests. Another great feature is that you can set a calendar reminder for yourself that syncs with your personal calendar. So you'll have all the sessions in there as well that you don't want to miss. I hope I helped everyone today, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We're all here to help you, and we want you to have a wonderful summit.